In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to release a number in Twilio. Whether you're consolidating your resources, no longer need a specific number, or simply want to tidy up your account, this process is straightforward and quick. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to efficiently release a phone number from your Twilio account. Let's start by logging into your Twilio console. At this point, it's important to ensure that you have your credentials ready, and you're logged into the correct account where the number you wish to release resides. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your Twilio console. This is your hub for managing all things Twilio, including your active phone numbers. Next, you'll want to navigate your way to the phone numbers section. To do this, look for the menu, typically found on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Phone Numbers. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this drop-down, select Manage, followed by Active Numbers. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the phone numbers currently associated with your account. Now that you're in the list of active numbers, take a moment to locate the specific number you want to release. Make sure you've identified the correct one, especially if you manage multiple numbers. To aid in this, Twilio often provides additional details like the country code and capabilities of each number, which can help ensure you're working with the right one. Once you've pinpointed the number, it's time to select it. Upon selecting the phone number, you'll usually see several management options appear, including a button labeled Release this number, or sometimes represented by a trash icon, depending on your interface. Click on this option and be prepared for a confirmation prompt. The confirmation step is crucial as it prevents accidental number releases, which could be problematic, especially if you need the number again later. In the prompt, Twilio will typically ask you to type the word release. This step acts as a safeguard, ensuring that you indeed intend to remove the number from your account. Carefully type release into the prompt and proceed with confirmation. Once confirmed, Twilio will officially release the number and it will be removed from your account. You should see a notification confirming this action. It's always a good practice to double-check that the number status on your dashboard has been updated to reflect that it's no longer active. And that's it! You've successfully released a phone number in Twilio. This process helps keep your account organized and ensures you're not managing more numbers than necessary. Remember, once released, numbers return to Twilio's pool and may become available for others, so ensure you truly no longer need the number before proceeding with these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in managing your Twilio account more efficiently.